come fall shopping with me and see what I bought.
So today we're gonna go shopping for fall decor, sort of. I really don't need any more decor, nor do I have the space for it. However, it's that time of year, and I think it'll be fun just to see what is available at the stores to kind of get some inspiration and figure out new ways to use the products I already have and maybe put a new twist on them. So today I think we're gonna be hitting Target, Big Lots, and Michael's. I have so many pumpkins that I got on clearance one year at Target when it went like 80–90% off or something crazy. So I was thinking I can use a lot of those and just paint them to create a different color palette, or I can add a new texture on top, put rope around them or ribbon or something. So I can get some inspiration, maybe buy a couple new things, and then see what I can use that I already have and create something new with it. I'm also looking for fall decor that will transition well into the winter. So I will make sure to share with you what I'm seeing there and what I'm liking in particular. Let's go have fun and be inspired, and I will do a little haul at the end and show you what I ended up buying. All right, let's go.
I've been eager to go shopping for fall decor for a while. There were a few elements I wanted to highlight that I was really gravitating towards, and those include color glass, warm tones especially, and then woven mats and woven baskets and that kind of thing. And I'm obviously home now and I'm ready to show you what I bought. So most of this haul is stuff from the Michaels. You may have seen in the clips that they had a big sale going on for like spring, summer stuff they're trying to get rid of, and there were some really good deals. I couldn't help myself, and so instead of buying fall decor, I bought off-season things to use next year and in different DIYs and projects and future rooms. So I'll show you what we got. I'm pretty sure this was from Michaels. I don't remember buying it from there, but it's this very tightly knit woven basket. It's very structured, very firm, and it's just got beautiful detail and would be great to use as a planter. I can put something watertight inside of it, and I just think it would be really beautiful. I love the warmth and softness and naturalness of the textures of this. And then this like faux monstera type plant was on clearance, maybe like $6. I'm not sure exactly, but it's a really good deal and fairly realistic and would be nice tucked up on a shelf, stocking up on big plants for future projects. This little guy is just a teeny little miniature faux plant that I liked the look of and the leaves. And then pretty much the rest of this is floral picks. I don't know if you've seen these. They're kind of like Graspedia, I think is what it's called, the little like balls. I love this plant, and so I love when I find realistic looking picks to use like in spring arrangements and things. Love the bright yellow of these. This is another summer item. It's got kind of a ferny texture and kind of palm leaf looking stuff. It's cute. And then I got a few of these little sprigs that are summery and have these poppy pink and yellow blooms on them. This large spring pick that was originally $13. I love neutral colors so that it'll go with everything, so I like that these blooms are white and I can use them in a lot of different things. They're very versatile that way. I love myself an air plant. My sister and I have a running joke about killing them, and I had a big one almost the size that she got me, and well, when it arrived I think it was already starting to rot. It wasn't healthy anyway, so it died, so which may or may not have been my fault. So I saw this, it got me excited. It's huge and awesome. It's got the pick on it so you can use it in an arrangement or tuck somewhere in your house to add faux greenery softness and add a fun element. Talking about woven elements, I thought this little pocket macrame was really cute. It's like an envelope shape, so that would be perfect for that air plant or real plants, or just use it to pop your mail in or something. But I guess I'm a sucker for this, and I have some boho designs in the future that I might want to use it for. And then this is just a miniature pot hanger. It's the same kind of macrame style on a much smaller scale, and I thought I have some big ones, but I thought it would be cute to alongside it have a little one to accent it. And you know, miniature things are just so cute, right? All right, and then I have one more item from Big Lots. I don't know if this was specifically fall decor, probably not, but it was a $5 woven decorative basket. I just like the thickness, the depth of it, and the shape, and it's just cute, and I have a hard time resisting a good deal on a basket. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, getting to dip our toes into the fall season, looking at decor and finding a few good sales. Definitely inspired. I wanted to show you something that I saw at the Dollar Tree. It's this one of those pumpkins where it's a stack of 3 on top of each other, but it's like ceramic and it has this cool like woven yarn texture to it, but it's like hard, it's solid. I was impressed, and I thought that was something you can just buy and use immediately and not have to spend a bunch of time and money DIYing it to make it look really nice for your house. So I thought I would include that. I'm excited to get started decorating and upcycling what I already have. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
This is taking me back to my makeup tutorial days 10 years ago.